AssalamuAlaikum everyone. This is Artikia and welcome to my channel. I am here for showing you a simple hijab style for summer. These are premium cotton hijabs which are sponsored by Orna Hijab Godown. The shop's address and other details are given on the description box below. This hijab is so lengthy and comfortable to wear and it's perfect for summer. At the end of the video, I will show you the same style by other colors. You can have almost 60 plus colors in this shop. If you like this video, then be sure to give a thumbs up and please do subscribe. Thank you.